To COVID now, and new questions tonight about protecting Southern Colorado workers from the virus now that the Supreme Court has blocked a White House vaccine mandate for companies with more than 100 employees. KRDO News Channel 13's Mallory Anderson looks into what's next.
While the Supreme Court decision still allows for most health workers to get the vaccines or risk their jobs, overall, it's a major loss to the Biden administration's battle. But political science expert Josh Dunn says the president's next step could be to encourage individual states to consider broad vaccine mandates of their own.
President Biden has one option, is to use the bully pulpit and then try to convince states that are friendly to his position to impose a similar kind of mandate, because states retain what's known as the police power. The federal government doesn't have the police power, general power of government to protect the health, welfare, safety, and morals of the people. So states have that. Federal government doesn't have it, so it's much easier for states to do this kind of thing.
However, so far, no state, including Colorado, has announced plans to take on their own mandate similar to what the president wanted. Private businesses, on the other hand, are still allowed to require the shot.
The general rule under both Colorado and federal law is that an employer generally may require certain vaccinations, so long as those requirements are job related and consistent with business necessity. So the mandate itself did not create that ability for employers. Employers had that right, even though it was a very narrow one.
Many Coloradans recently lost their jobs for refusing to get the vaccine. While generally it's tough to sue over violating a company rule, there are possible exceptions.
An employee might have a claim for refusal to accommodate a disability or a sincerely held religious belief, where an employee granted accommodations to some employees but not to others. It depends on what the underlying reason for the employee's job loss was.
Reporting in Colorado Springs, Mallory Anderson, KRDO News Channel 13.